In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Ticktick with Notion and sync your tasks. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Ticktick and Notion talking to each other so your tasks and pages stay aligned. Make sure you're signed into both apps and that you know which Ticktick list and which Notion workspace you want to use. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but using a desktop makes mapping properties easier to review. Start in Ticktick. Open Settings, then head to the Import and Integration section and choose Notion. This is where all connected services live, and it's where you can return later if you need to adjust or disconnect the integration. Next, tap Add Integration. Ticktick will prompt you to log into your Notion account and authorize access. Choose the correct Notion workspace if you have more than one, and grant the requested permissions so Ticktick can read and write to the databases you select. You can always change or revoke access later in Notion settings, so don't worry if you need to refine this over time. Now you'll choose how you want to connect. If you select Use a Template, Ticktick will create a brand new Notion database that's pre-configured to work with a specific Ticktick list. This option is great if you're starting from scratch and want a clean, ready-to-sync setup without extra configuration. If you already have a Notion database you'd like to use, select Select Pages. This links Ticktick to an existing Notion database, giving you more control. Pick the page or database that holds your tasks. Make sure you've granted the integration access to that database in Notion, so it shows up as an option. With the connection in place, it's time to map and sync. Choose the Ticktick list you want to sync, then select the Notion database or page you just set up. You'll see options to map properties like name, date, and status. Map name to the task title property in Notion. Map date to a Notion date field. If you use start and end dates, pick the one that matches how you plan to schedule tasks. Map status to a select or status property in Notion, so changes are reflected consistently. Keeping property types aligned helps prevent sync issues. Confirm your mappings and save. Give it a moment for the first sync to run. From here, edits to your mapped fields in either app will stay aligned, and you can return to import and integration anytime to adjust or disconnect as your workflow evolves.